What is going on, everyone? It's Tay with Spectacular Gadgets, and what you're looking at right now is just your regular average desk lamp. And as a matter of fact, I'm getting pretty bored with this, so I ordered the LumiCharge Smart LED lamp. Now, I picked this device up off of Indiegogo for about $99, and I'm pretty excited to see all the cool features this thing can do. So let's go. Now, this lamp will have all your other lamps be put to shame. Let's go ahead and do this box tour. So taking a look at the top of the box, I did pick up the wireless charged version, but they also have a non-wireless charged version. And then here are the three colors that you can get: black, gray, and white. And you see I got the gray one or the silver one in the middle. And then you can hit them up on Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, and Facebook. Now, the other side has the exact same illustration and picture and absolutely nothing on the bottom. The left side just has there's mobile charging, wireless charge, mobile phone bracket, and then that cool motion light. Looking at the right side of the box gives us information on the three hues that the LED light has. It also shows that there is a dimmable display with a calendar, temp, time, and alarm. Then you will also have a motion sensing night light, and at the bottom it gives you information about the spin dial for the different ports for the different devices you may have. I actually contributed to this Kickstarter program sometime in March, and then it was finally delivered yesterday. So we'll go ahead and pull the lamp out and taking, which appears to be the lamp, and it does have weight to it. And here's the operating manual, LumiCharge. And so it gives you pretty good instructions and details about the lamp. There's a white box inside of the package, and this white piece, I'm not sure what that is. We'll place that to the side and continue on. Here is your cord to plug into the AC/DC adapter, which is this brick right here. But here's another, this is like a rubbery piece that I'm not quite sure what this is for. We'll figure it out. And here's the adapter. Finally getting to the lamp. It does have heft to it, but that is needed to make sure that the lamp does not topple over with everything that you're going to be doing with it. The finish of the lamp is actually really nice, and it does not look cheap. And that right there is a little speaker for the alarm. This lamp can move forwards and backwards at a 100-degree angle. There, let's go ahead and look at some of the touch sensitive light controls. This button is the power button, and this is to make it brighter or lower. On this side, you have the hue adjuster, the LED brightness, and the wireless charge button. This is everything that you get inside of the box. Taking a closer look at the back of the lamp base, you have the USB port plus that power input. The bottom of the lamp base has 4 grippy legs, so it should not be sliding around. There is that charging wheel that I was telling you about that gives you access for charging other devices. The little lightning symbol is the 10-watt wireless charging area. This lamp can rotate and be angled or positioned in so many different ways. So as you see me rotating the top of the LED lamp, so we'll go ahead and straighten it out. These 4 buttons right here are the mode set up and down, and this allows you to program the LED display, which is right here. I will now plug the cord into the adapter so we can power the lamp on. And as you see, we got some power to the lamp. I have turned most of the lights off so that we can see how bright this lamp gets. I will tap the power button, and that will allow the light to turn on. And if you actually hold the power button, this will take you to the brightest setting rather than touching the up and down brightness keys. As you see, it just takes a little longer to go ahead and get it to the brightness that you want, but you have options when trying to dim or brighten the light. This right here is your motion sense light, and I'll cover it just so you guys can see. So once it senses motion, it will turn on by itself. and it will stay on for about 15 seconds, and after 15 seconds it should go off by itself, as you see there. The left side of the lamp, the M right here, is where you can cycle through to adjust the hue, and so you go ahead and tap it to cycle through and you can pick the right one for you. Tapping this little icon right here will allow you to adjust the brightness of this LED display right here. And then lastly, the last button, if you tap on it, this is where you would turn on the wireless charging feature of the lamp. So as I press the button, you see there's a red light that comes on. I'll go ahead and place my iPhone XS Max on the charging area, and as you see, it's starting to charge immediately. So I'll go ahead and take it off, and as I did that, you see that red light, it switched over to the other side. So placing it back on, this is telling me that it is charging, and that should turn green once the phone is fully charged. But that phone has no case. What about devices with cases? I'll go ahead and take my Note 9, which is rocking the VRS case, and as you see, still it has no problems charging through this case. It does note in the manual that some cases may need to be removed for wireless charging, but as you see, this VRS case was able to charge, and you cannot place the phone portrait mode. It won't charge. It needs to be landscape. Now, what if you don't have a wireless charging phone? You actually have choices. So let's say the iPhone wasn't wireless charging device. I can go ahead and place it on this charging dock, and I get a charge as well, and it keeps my phone up. Now, using the wheel, this is how you change to the different ports. This has a USB, a Type-C, and then a Lightning port for the iPhones. Well, I'd like to show you the other ports, but the struggle is real right now. I'll keep it moving, and let's go ahead and discuss the next cool feature of this lamp, and that is the LED display. Now, I set this up by using these 4 buttons right here. I was able to set up the time, the date, the day, and the temperature automatically was set. So it was very easy to set up using those buttons, and you see me messing with the dimmable light. Here's how you turn the motion sensor off if you don't want it. And here is the battery. This is a backup battery. And what do I mean by backup battery? So you see right here, we have the display all lit up. If I unplug the power source, now let's take a look at it. It's not bright, it's not lit up anymore, but we can still view the information that we need without it being plugged in. So that's a plus. Now this rubber piece, I figured out what it's for. It's to charge your Apple Watch. So what you do is you take the charging cable that came with the Apple Watch. This is not included, but you'll need this. You'll go ahead and push this USB in through this little plastic piece, like so. So you'll pull it all the way through. Now I'm gonna go ahead and push it in as much as I can, but do this gently, and you'll see it should be pretty much flush, and the cord should be coming out without anything in the way. Then you'll take that other plastic piece, and this simply just goes on the back of the lamp, like so. And all you do is go ahead and snap this onto the back at the height that you would like it, and it's just easy like that. Then I'll go ahead and slide this piece onto that, and then it makes it as a holder, and it gives you can put it on the left or the right, but you'll go ahead and take that USB, plug it to the base of the lamp, and there you have it. Anything you need to charge, you can do it all from the lamp. I'll place my Apple Watch on there, and you see it's charging. Everything is in one place. So take a look at the beautiful LumiCharge 2 lamp. This thing is freaking awesome. It's by far the best lamp I've ever had. I can have everything charging in one spot. I don't need a bunch of chargers or a bunch of cables. and the lamp itself is just gorgeous looking. It's for the tech in you, and I really do like this lamp. Let me know in the comments if you guys would go ahead and give this lamp a try, and I would totally recommend it, even with the issues that I had with it. And it wasn't issues, it was just one slight snag, and like I said, they jumped on it. They're gonna go ahead and replace this, and I'll send this one back. But customer service like that is hard to come by. I want to thank the LumiCharge team for really just getting with it and taking care of this situation. I really do believe they stand behind their product, and the way that they were able to go ahead and get back in communication with me or respond back, it was really with the quickness. So I can appreciate customer service in a company like this. I would totally recommend this lamp. Okay, enough of me rambling on. I want to thank everyone for coming along with me on this journey. And until next time, everyone, I want you all to have a spectacular day. Later.